Hey creative peeps, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ashwati. I create content for creative people. This is the second video in my Procreate bite-sized tutorial series. If you missed the previous ones, I will put the link of the playlist in the description. Do check it out. Today, we are going to see the Procreate user interface. Let's open Procreate. Gallery view is the first thing that you will see upon opening the app. All your works can be seen here. What you see on my iPad is how I organize my works. More on that in my next video. Over to the right, we have options to select the canvas, import files into Procreate, import photos from your iPad gallery, and create new canvas. Procreate is jam-packed with a lot of features and most of it is here in the editing tools. This is the Actions menu, which has the options to insert, share, adjust canvas, export and many other features. Adjustment menu has tools to give finishing touches to your work. Selection lets you isolate things. And Transform allows you to stretch, move and manipulate the shape of your selection. I'll be explaining everything in detail in the coming videos. Over to the right, we have the painting tools. This is the brush library and the brush studio. It is one of the best features of Procreate. Then we have the smudge tool, eraser, layers panel, and last but not the least, color. This is a sidebar. Here we adjust the brush size and here the opacity of the brush. We have the undo and redo buttons here. The modify button. It can be programmed to suit your workflow. You can bring the sidebar to your right side by going to Actions menu, Prefs, right hand interface. You can click and drag the modify button to move it around. You can tweak the Procreate interface to make it more comfortable for you. Procreate comes in both dark and light theme. I personally like the dark version. It's less distracting and easy for the eyes. I make most of my illustrations indoors, so this is just fine for me. If you like to see the shape of your brush cursor, you can go to Actions menu, Prefs and toggle the brush cursor. I prefer to keep it on. That's it guys, now you know the basic user interface. In my next video, I'll be talking more about the gestures and how it makes your life easy. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now and click the bell icon to be notified of the future videos. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and until we see you next time, see ya!